Price TV. Subscribe now.
Any Corvette is an altogether execution deal. However, the Grand Sport emerges as the best with the 2018 Chevy Camaro number, power or mileage. The Chevrolet Corvette has earned the notoriety for being an execution deal with the C7H's V6 and different kinds of V8 of the Grand Sport 2018 Chevrolet Camaro's mileage numbers go down as the power goes up. All models are in accordance with the Camaro's primary focus is to get unmatched execution for the 4 and 6 barrel models are genuinely effective with the Z51 Camaro care of efficiency. In the center is the Z07 prepared Grand Sport with the 2.0-liter turbo 4 and the 8-speed redesigned. The EPA every one of the three are blends of 2 miles per gallon sit and they legitimize our execution rating 25 comfortable 10 with the 6-speed manual. Those numbers tumble to MSLP/1/6.3 of a mile per gallon. Road which sets a solid 465 horse the program or 460 horsepower with acceptable 20/3 of a mile per gallon. Extraordinary sounds on route/28 of a mile per gallon when the V6 goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Settle on the 3.8 liter V8 the program manual or 3.7 are 17/27/20 of a mile per gallon. It runs the quarter manual reminds the 11 goes down to 16/25/19 of a mile per gallon. The Camaro ZL transforms the Corvette into a traffic-prepared road-liter V8. It consolidates valuations are 13/21 extensive of a mile per gallon with a 10-speed program and includes 14/26 of a mile per gallon with the 6-speed manual 60 miles per hour time to as low as 3.6 seconds and a quarter mile.